Hello, kids! Como vocês estão? Eu espero que estejam bem. Aqui é a Teacher Carol e eu estou sentindo muita falta de vocês, então vamos relembrar juntos a nossa rotina diária, certo? Ok, então vamos cantar a nossa primeira musiquinha do dia. Are you ready? Ok. 1, 2, 3 and clap your hands. Go, clap your hands.
Let's start the day in a happy way. Let's start the day in a happy way. Let's start the day in a happy way. Get ready to learn and play. Let's start the day in a happy way. Let's start the day in a happy way. Let's start the day in a happy way. Get ready to learn and play.
Okay, I hope you all sang along with me. Okay? Very good. Hello, good morning. How are you? Good? Very good. I am good too. Let's sing together the hello song. All right. 1, 2, 3, and let's start the day in a happy way. Let's start the day in a happy way. Let's start the day in a happy way. Get ready to learn and play. Yes, good job, guys. Very good. Can you tell me what day is it today? Do you know? Let's take the calendar and ask, what day is it today? Is it Monday? No. Tuesday? No. Wednesday? No. Oh, I know. Thursday. Yes, very good. Thursday. Today is Thursday. Repeat. Thursday. Good, very good. And the month is June. We are in June. June. Repeat. All right. Good job. What's the weather like today, guys? Go check out the window. Remember the window? This is the window. You go check out and you tell me, is it sunny? Is it rainy? Or is it partly cloudy? Today in here, it's a rainy day. Yes. And in your house, what's the weather like? Okay, let's sing together. 1, 2, 3, and what's the weather? What's the weather on this Thursday? On this Thursday, let's look out the window. Let's look out the window. It is rainy. It is rainy. Very good, very good. Now I want to know if you remember the name of this pet. Dog. Remember? Dog. And this one. Very cute, right? It's a cat. Yes, cat. And this little yellow pet. What's his name? All right, it's a bird. Bird, very good. All right. Oh my God, look. It's a turtle. A turtle. Have you seen a turtle before? Yes, a turtle. Her name is Donna. Yes, very cute. She walks very slowly. Very slowly. Very cute. Okay, repeat. Turtle. Turtle. Very good. Bye-bye, turtle. Bye-bye, bird. Bye-bye, cat. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, dog. Bye-bye. All right, guys, let's sing the bye-bye song together now. In 1, 2, 3, and it is time to wave goodbye. Wave goodbye, wave goodbye. It is time to wave goodbye. Goodbye to all our friends. Bye bye.